Good morning, boys and girls. Hope you're well. Going to have a quick look at the answers hub and see what's in there. So let me just flick this over and we'll pull it in. So here we are. Question at the bottom. Hi Scruff, since Sunday market is mostly sideways and the markets outside these trading zones are genuinely sideways. So does this give us the wrong idea when looking at MACD, RSI, Bollinger, etc. right after these dead periods, especially in small time frames? Since this will incorporate sideways movement into their calculation and give us the wrong idea of the market. When you look at these indicators, do you take this into consideration? Short answer, no. There's always sideways movements in the markets. Now, it doesn't matter when you look at it. You can look at, say, the DAX chart that we've been looking at yesterday. There's sideways movement. This is an hourly chart. That's through pretty much an entire day. And that was Friday. There's sideways movement through multiple days. Sideways movement through an entire Monday. Sideways is always there. It depends on how far you want to come into the market and analyze it. I mean, obviously I'm wrong in what I do because I'm constantly pulled apart by it. But the reason why I'm pulled apart is because you're trying to over-engineer what's going on. Markets will go up, markets will go down, markets will go nowhere. And that'll happen on a monthly chart, weekly chart, all the way down to a minute chart. It's just the cycle of the markets. Now, the thing with a Sunday is it's a hard day to trade. And unless you're looking at a true 24-hour market, something like Bitcoin, write Sunday off as your trading day because the market, the spreads are too wide, it's prone for gaps because of the weekend, and that will throw you out. Now that I do take into consideration, but the actual shape of the market and the fact that I think it's flat, no, I trade what I see. Hope that helps. So as always guys, trade well, keep your risk managed, but above all, do what you love. And the money will follow. See you all in the next one.